Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Archer, AX55, AX3000 Gigabit, Wi-Fi 6 router. Unbox the router and place it in a central location for the best coverage. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into an outlet. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the router's WAN Internet port to your modem. Turn on the router using the power button and wait for it to boot up, about 2 minutes. On your phone or PC, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default TP-Link Wi-Fi network. The SSID Wi-Fi name and password are printed on the bottom of the router. Alternatively, connect your PC via an Ethernet cable to a LAN port on the router. Open a browser and go to http://tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1. Log in using the default credentials printed on the router. Download the TP-Link Tether app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play, Android. Open the app and log in with your TP-Link ID or create one. Enter the username and password if using PPPoE provided by your ISP. Change the Wi-Fi name SSID and password for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Go to Advanced greater than firmware update and check for updates. Restart the router and test your internet connection. Thanks for watching.